Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request for a refund on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you ordered an item off of Temu, but you no longer needed it, or maybe the item wasn't as described it was supposed to be. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log into your Temu account. Next, under orders and account, you're going to click on that. And then afterwards, you're going to be on this tab that says all orders. So here you can see all the orders that I've placed. What you need to do is find the order that you want to go ahead and get a refund for, and then click on return/refund. Now you're going to receive a notification. Have you received your package? Just click on yes. And then from here, you can only get one free return of one or multiple items for every order. And to avoid additional shipping fees for multiple returns, please select all the eligible items that you want to return for this order. So for this package, you can see that's just one item, but if it was multiple items, I would select all if I wanted to return them all. Just make sure that if you are going to do a return, make sure that as part of the package with multiple items, that you select all the items that you want to return and don't change your mind later down in the future, because if so, you'll probably have to pay for additional shipping fees. So here you would just select this item here, select the reason for return, and then also select the return quantity. And then afterwards, you can upload a photo or video and also indicate any comments, and then click on next step. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a refund on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.